Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use recent apps on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 cover screen. Okay, the thing is really easy and it's even the same just like in the normal mode when our device is not in the cover screen mode. Now, all you gotta do is to go to the cover screen, simply flip your device, double click to launch the screen and then slide to the upside to unlock. Now scroll to the downside and here you have the list of all apps that you can turn on, that you can launch in the cover screen mode. So maybe let's try to launch the Instagram. I'm not logged in, but it doesn't matter. Then slide to the upside to close the app, or if you're using gestures, not the gestures, the buttons, click the middle button, the circle. Now let's open up another app, maybe YouTube. Okay, let's also close it by sliding to the upside. And then the third app, maybe the calendar. Okay. Now, let's close it also. And now to get access to the recent apps, if you're using gestures, simply slide from the downside to the upside, hold a little bit, and then here we have all recent apps and we can quickly switch between them, just like on normal device. And if you're using gestures, you can slide left or right to switch between the recent apps even quicker. I should take a look, really easy thing. And if you're using buttons, just like I was saying, all you gotta do to open up the recent apps, you gotta click the button on the left side. Maybe let me switch. I'll change the navigation method for buttons just to show you. Navigation type, buttons, okay. And now let me present. Slide to the upside, and now we have the buttons. Simply click the one on the left side, just like I was talking about before. And in here you also have your recent apps. It works just the same like on every other device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.